today we're gonna do one more unboxing. So just a moment. And today we have a white box. So white box of let's see, Xiaomi bedside lamp. Bedside lamp 2. Xiaomi bedside lamp 2. You can use with Apple HomeKit, Alexa, Google Assistant. So it's a smart lamp by Xiaomi or Mi, whatever you want to call. And this lamp, I think it's good. I saw it on YouTube and I wanted to have it, so I bought it, and I'm gonna share the unboxing time with all of you guys. So let's see what we can do with this lamp. So there's a all list. I'm gonna read a little bit for you. So you can change colors on this lamp. It's like a night lamp. You can use you can make it dimmer and very bright, whatever you want. You can change colors. Touch interactions, you can touch your fingers and change intensity of the light. You can, following light mode, adjustable brightness, turn off delay, adjustable color temperature, schedule, you can schedule a timer to on and off, and of course you can use all the assistants. I'm gonna use Apple HomeKit because most I like Apple things. So alright, so let's unbox this box with Switchbox channel. So first we need to cut it. Yep. And open it up. So we have a cable with a European. So we have cable, long cable. What's next? And next there is main thing. It's a lamp, bedside lamp. So let's open it up. Oh yeah, it's a white lamp, and let's take it off. Listen. One more time. So white lamp. Alright, so I'm gonna try this lamp tonight. It's like I don't know, marshmallow maybe. Good taste. Marshmallow lamp. Alright, so there's a finger adjustable place. You can dim or make it brighter. You can turn on, turn off. And of course, if you want, you can use Apple Home and change colors and make and ask Siri to change color, or turn off or turn on the light. And what's next? What's next is instruction guide, manual for users. So who don't know how to use, you can read it. But I think I'm gonna know. You can use you can use Apple Home, or I think Xiaomi app for this lamp. So yeah, so that's it for this time. Thank you very much. Switchbox channel made unboxing of new stuff. So every time we do video, every time we will unbox something new. So thank you everybody, and see you next time. Bye bye.